If your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is stuck on not registered on network, no service, or even showing a no SIM error, don't return it yet. I'm going to help you fix the SIM and network connection in Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26, or S26 Plus. The first thing I recommend is a quick refresh. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Access panel. Enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds. Then turn it back off. Immediately after doing that, go ahead and restart your device. If the error is still there, now we need to check the SIM connection. Whether you're using a physical SIM or eSIM, or maybe both, open your settings. Tap on Connections, and then SIM Manager. Simply turn off your eSIM or physical SIMs and then turn it back on to refresh the cellular connection. Talking about physical SIM, you can use your tool to eject the SIM tray. Take the card out, clean it properly, and insert it back in again. This often solves the problem immediately after the SIM is redetected. If you're showing not registered, the problem might be your network configuration. So, to reset it all at once, head over to your settings. Scroll down and find General Management. Tap on Reset, then select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings and tap Reset one last time. This will clear out any network errors and should solve the problem. Still having trouble? It's possible your actual physical SIM card is damaged or not working correctly. So take it out and try switching to a different SIM card in your S26 Ultra. If the new card works, you know your original SIM is the culprit and needs to be replaced by your carrier. If nothing else works, check for a software update. For that, go to Settings, Software Update, download and install, and if an update is available. If you've tried all these steps and still have no service, your final move is to communicate with Samsung support or your carrier to get further help. Thanks for watching. Peace out.